Welcome to this course on ISO 9001 2015 Transition Training course. Around the world, companies have used ISO 9001 certificate as an evidence that they can produce consistent quality. And with this certificate, companies can market their product around the globe. This standard was introduced way back in 1987. My name is Sandeep Kumar and I have been involved with this standard since 1987 when the first issue of this standard was released. I have used this standard for auditing companies. I have helped organizations implement the standard and getting certified to 9001 certificate. The latest version of this standard was released on 23rd September 2015. And this revision has major changes from the previous version of the standard. A lot of things have been added, a lot of things have been changed. In this course, my role will be to help you understand the standard in simple and plain terms so that you can understand the standard and you can implement this standard in your own organization. This course will help you in transitioning from 2008 version of the standard to 2015 version of the standard. Let's now look at things to be covered in this course. The course will start with a quick history of 9001 standard revision, and this will be covered in section 1 of this course. Coming to section 2, the section 2 of this course will provide you high-level overview of changes from 2008 version to 2015 version. What all have changed? From section 3 to section 10, I'll be talking about each clause of the standard. This will provide you clause by clause, line by line explanation of 2015 standard. Section 11 of this course will provide you with implementation strategies, which will help you in implementing this standard in your organization. Section 12 is a reference section, and this will provide you with the information related to making of this standard. Each section in this course has a quiz at the end. A quiz to test your knowledge, to reinforce your knowledge. And then each section will also have a downloadable PDF file where you can download the slides, which you can look at your own convenience. On successful completion of this course, you will be provided with a certificate of completion. So if you are new to ISO 9001 standard, or you are planning to take your organization from 2008 version to 2015 version, join this course. Join this course to understand the standard. Join this course to know the strategies of transitioning from 2008 version to 2015 version. Join this course and I will make this standard simpler for you, simpler to understand, simpler to implement. And remember that this course comes with 30 days money back guarantee. So for any reason, if you think that this course is not for you, you can get your money back within 30 days, no questions asked. And if you think that this course is for you, because you are involved with ISO 9001 standard, then join this course and I will see you inside this course.